Hi boys and girls, in this video we're going to be looking at some more life cycles, and in this one we are going to be looking at the life cycle of plants, and in this case we're using peanuts. Alright, so I don't know if you've ever eaten peanuts or have eaten them out of the shell like this, but when a peanut is fully grown they come in this type of shell that'll go all the way around, and what you actually eat are the seeds. So the peanuts are inside of this shell, and those are the parts that you eat, and then that is also what allows them to continue to grow. So let's start at the beginning of what a peanut would end up looking like. So here we have, let's go that way. We have the peanut, which is this part. If that would get planted into the ground, it would start to grow this long root. It's called a taproot. It would grow out of this seed, and it would go into the ground. Let's see. Yeah, it'll go into the ground, and that'll allow the seed, or the peanut, to get all of the water and nutrients that it needs from the ground. So that would be how the plant starts to grow. See if we can get just a couple more better looks at it there. So after this root grows and it gets some water and it gets nutrients, so over time the seed will break open and the actual plant will begin to grow from the middle of it. So in this one we could see our peanut broke in half, and it's starting to grow more and more. It is a little bit more of a green color now. It's a little hard to see on camera. It's a little bit more of a green than it was light brown. And there's a bunch of like little stems coming off of the root now too, and some more little roots growing off of it, which just helps it stick in the ground a little bit better. Alright, so that'll be the next stage, and then after it grows and gets lots of nutrients, lots of water, and is allowed to grow for longer periods of time, these leaves will start to sprout out of the peanut plant. And then if you look on the seeds here, they're starting to close and just be one seed instead of half of one seed. We end up with two. So you can see they're kind of breaking, or not breaking, they're growing more and more and becoming more of just one seed than a couple. And if you look at the bottom here, our roots are getting, or the little parts of the roots that are growing off, allowing it to stick in the ground, they're getting a little bit bigger, a little bit longer, which just helps them stay in the ground. Alright. So after it grows and grows, eventually we get back to the peanut. Like that. Now, it would be cool if we had a little specimen of the peanut with the shell growing around it, but we don't have one of those. That would have been cool to see though. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something new, and we'll see you in the next one.